This was in
One of the community resources letters of board. Yes, yes, well, that's okay. We can go to this one to get it back.
Probably need to set officials to read,
We need to set it up ways to pay them so it would be official, we can do that in here.
I would ask her for suggestions how we do that. And when we get permit money, is that what you're saying?
well, no, I'm just saying, we probably would have to go ahead before we start getting them in, we set a rate.
Oh.
Because I'll have to pay him something.
Yeah, okay.
I need to know what.
Okay, well, I'll make a motion that we pay him $1,000 a month.
Wait a second.
Hey, you $1,000.
Do I do a second? All in favor, signify aye.
If he's gonna
Motion
play,
approved.
oh, he should be making more money. Do you realize the headaches this poor man's gonna have to deal with?
Well, at this point, you know, this floodplain manager with this right here, I'll try it out the rest of the year for that, but at the end of the year, we'll.
I mean, if you expect him to do policing, and if right now we know that there's at least 122 Marcellus shale wells that have
Dan,
been
once we get
permitted.
money in, we can make an adjustment.
May I say something?
I think she's done.
This ordinance doesn't
Okay,
allow
well, wait a
for there
minute.
to be enforcement.
Wait a minute, just
I can hear you.
let me clear up something here because she made a statement there, okay? Dan has talked to us about this beforehand. We just didn't throw this figure out here right now.
Okay,
Okay. Yeah,
I just think it should be,
I know.
I mean, I pity him with
I know.
what he's gonna have to deal with.
I know, and the commission we don't have money to pass out freely, but that's where we're at. Sorry, go ahead, Dan.
The ordinance, if you read it, does not give Dan the right until they start building to go in. He can put a stop work order. But otherwise, it has to come to you all by complaint to the commission.
Did you put this on here?
No, I'm talking about, this is what we're talking about with Dan being the enforcer. So he's going to be limited on what he can do, and then
Yeah.
it comes over to you
Yeah,
all.
actually, you guys are the enforcers.
You're just the face.
And the phone number.
So, have we done this right so far? That would,
Oh, what did you want to put the floodplain ordinance on? What's this about? What are we doing with this?
that ordinance has to be changed. The OES Director he has his separate position, and that would have to go to Dan.
Yeah, I need to make an amendment to where it says that in this
Yeah.
ordinance right there.
Yeah.
On page 25, it designates who your
Right,
floodplain administrator is.
right, on page
So you've got
5 or
to reword
6.
that.
Page 5 or 6 also, and that's mentioned of that.
Is that here?
Page 4.
It's mentioned of needed.
That the floodplain administrator is supposed to be the director of the Office of Emergency Services.
Okay,
And sign this.
okay.
We may change it to
Ready to go?